Hi Nasya, good morning.
Hello, good morning too.
What are you going to do this weekend?
I'm going to Krapia Beach on Saturday. How about you?
I am going to stay at my home because I have a lot of my homework.
Oh no, are you going to study all day?
No, I'm not going to study all day. I am going to watch a movie at next to.
Sounds fun. I will watch a movie after from beach.
Nice. With your sister Buduruk with you?
No, she won't go with me because she will go with her friends.
Oh, okay. I will help my mom in the afternoon.
That's good. I will probably help my mom too.
Well, have great weekend.
Thanks. You too.